box in there. This one, Zaki. Open this one.
That one?
Yes.
I can. My present.
Yeah, from Daddy.
From Santa.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, unboxing. Whoa.
What is it?
It's bad for me.
Yay!
It's for me. For me, Mommy. For me, what these are for?
Yeah, and it shoots the car. It shoots the car down the track, goes around the loop and out.
That's a car.
Yeah, there's like an end there that goes through there. And there's barrels you can crash through.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you. How about this one? You wanna open this?
Yeah, open
It's for
it.
Zaki too.
Yeah.